Samantha, you need to give it up. Leave Meghan Markle alone. You cannot force her to love you. You cannot force her to like you. You cannot force her to even accept that you guys are sisters and you used to grow up together. You can't. She does not like you. You're not a good person. That's why she's just taken herself away from you. You're very toxic. So leave her alone. No matter what you're doing or trying to accomplish, it will not work. So, of course, we know that Meghan Markle's half-sister Samantha, she's now persisting in her legal battle as her attorneys have now filed an appeal against a judge's ruling that dismissed her libel case in March. Remember, the judge dismissed with prejudice. So Samantha cannot refile the case. She can only appeal the case, right? And that's where we are right now, where she's now appealing the case. So last month, Florida Judge Charlene Edwards Honeywell delivered a significant blow to Samantha's Markle's legal pursuit by ruling that the case should be dismissed with prejudice. Remember, Judge Honeywell's decision came after she concluded that Samantha failed, let me repeat, to identify any statements that could support a claim of defamation. This ruling underscores the challenges Samantha faces. So we're saying it's going to be an uphill battle, right? Or uphill challenge in substantiating her claims of defamation against her half-sister, Meghan Markle. Because remember what they did. With defamation, you have to state the exact fact. And what Samantha and her lawyer did were they were trying to put words into Meghan's mouth. They did a lot of things to say. Meghan says she grew up as an only child. There's no way to dispute that. You didn't grow up with her. You're 17 years older than her. So you didn't grow up with her. She's an only child. She's the only child for her mom. So that is a statement of fact. And that's what the judge said. A lot of what Meghan said were factual. You change your name when Meghan started dating Harry. That is a fact. There's no defamation there. Defamation is maybe if Meghan had lied, outright lied. She did not. She spoke the truth. So what are you trying to do? As a matter of fact, you were the one who was going on TV, maligning and maliciously stating. In fact, remember your book, Pushy Princess or whatever, about your sister. When she was getting married, you were on television just leading up to it and saying a lot of bad stuff about her. So Meghan should be the one going after you for defamation. So give it up, Samantha. You won't win here. So as I was saying, the judge did say that Samantha failed to identify any statement that could support a claim for defamation. And I told you what defamation is. She failed. This ruling underscored the challenges she's going to be facing because, of course, Samantha is saying because of the Oprah interview, the Oprah interviewer disparaging, hurtful, and false. The court did, though, find insufficient evidence to support her allegations because Oprah asked Meghan, and Meghan answered. Meghan said, I wish I had sister. I wish I had a sister. And she's meaning a good sister. You're not a good sister. You're a demon. You're something that nobody would want as a sister. So leave the woman alone. She doesn't like you. Just accept that and move on. You cannot force anything on her. So of course we know that the judge ruling raises question about the validity and credibility of Samantha's accusation against Meghan. In the absence of legal defensible claims, and please remember that, legal defensible claim, Samantha's attempt to seek recourse through the courts may be perceived as frivolous or without merit. And that is a fact. As the legal proceedings unfold, and we know she's taking the case back, she's appealing it because that's her only recourse. She can only appeal it and hope that they will relook at it and see if she has some merit there, which is going to be dismissed. The appeal process will likely involve a review of the evidence and arguments presented, with both sides advocating for their respective positions. So we know Meghan's lawyer are going to ask the judge to just throw this out because there's no merit. There's nothing there to it. There's no note to it. So it's going to be thrown out. As the legal proceedings unfold, the outcome of Samantha's appeal will have significant implication. Obviously, it will, but Samantha has to prove her case. We know that there is no love lost between Meghan and them. There's no love lost. Meghan is the type of person that I feel that once she's in a toxic situation or relationship, she's gonna leave it without no looking back. And I feel that what it is, Meghan realized that Samantha was a viper and she decided to just cut her off, cut her loose. And nothing is wrong with that. That is life. If you find family members, friends, relationship, if you find people are just not good for your soul, or spirit vampire, I call them spirit vampires, you know, if you know, you know, spirit vampire, they suck your spirit, suck your energy. They're always having an issue. If you find people are like that, cut them loose. You don't have to talk to them. You know, whether Samantha's claim will be upheld on appeal remains to be seen. But her refusal to back down suggests that the legal battle is far from over. So we don't know how many times she can appeal. Maybe this is just her last shot. So let her go at it. But it's not going anywhere. It's a lost case. Meghan will not like it, Samantha. Leave Meghan alone. You try to change your name. You try to malign her. You try to maliciously savage her character. But yet still you want a sister. You want her to claim you as her sister. I would not claim you as my sister. You need to go. Leave the woman alone. Appeal all you want, but you'll just wait. And what, for 75,000? What is that? What is 75,000 going to get? Better you to go and ask Meghan to give you 75,000. You're not going to get 75,000 from Meghan through this way, and you're going to have to pay her lawyer's fee when all is said and done. So leave the woman alone. Call it a day. Stop the appeal process. And we know you have the English people backing you. So leave Meghan Markle alone. Bye. Thank you, guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. But Samantha is not giving up, and so won't we. Bye.